Greetings and welcome to today's presentation. Today's topic is, can Jamaica earn US $10 billion annually through tourism? Going to part 7 of my theme, Pastor Edwards' US $25 billion ecotourism program, attracting an extra 10 million visitors to Jamaica each year, employing 300,000 Jamaicans, earning an extra US $10 billion each year for the country's GDP. The subjects of today's discussions are as follows. Number 1, how much will Jamaica earn annually from this US 10 billion project? Number 2, the 300,000 jobs that will be provided and the national wealth that will generate. Number 3, the reasons for labor shortages in Jamaica. And 4, the effects of disengaged youth in Jamaica and how, if the government just get its act together, the government could provide jobs in the tourism industry all across Jamaica for disengaged youth in the country. I've seen too many people in Jamaica trying so hard with various types of hustlings, trying to scratch out a living for themselves and their families. The government needs to grasp the current opportunity that lies in the tourism industry and start to rapidly increase the Jamaican economy. The reason why the government is having problems with skilled labor is because they are doing a lot of different infrastructure programs in one city or town at the same time. For example, in Montego Bay, they are working on the airport, the Perimeter Road, the Long Hill Bypass, and the regional hospital all at the same time. Then the private sector are building several hotels, including the New Rock Hotel, among other commercial buildings, all at the same time in Montego Bay. Hence, there is a shortage of labor, as very few tradesmen will leave their towns in places like St. Elizabeth or other parts of Jamaica to work in Montego Bay due to domestic and other reasons. Also, I believe that it won't be long before the government will be importing migrant laborers to work in the hotel industry in Montego Bay and other congested tourism hotspots in the country. While there are many disengaged youth in many rural towns and districts all over Jamaica, especially on the south coast of Jamaica, these people need jobs in their parishes. Separating families and communities is never a good idea. So remember, you hear it from me first, that the government at some point will import people from abroad to work in Jamaica, hotel industry in Montego Bay, and maybe Ocho-Rios as well, because they built too much hotel one place. Okay? Now, the effects of disengaged youth for those few years just after high school is quite similar to what we have seen happening to a lot of students after COVID-19 pandemic. 2 years lockdown. Even middle class children in Jamaica and children in some developed countries around the world has seen an increase in challenging behaviors among children after the 2 years COVID-19 lockdowns. Hence, Jamaica is not unique in this regard. The government just need to create opportunities for school leavers, especially those in rural towns and districts all around Jamaica. And the tourism industry provides the country with a golden opportunity to do this. So we don't want to see the government make excuse to employ immigrants, maybe from India or China, to come to Jamaica to work in the hotel industry, because they make the mistake of putting too much hotels in one place. Now, some people make a fuss as to what percentage of the tourism dollar stays in Jamaica. According to some studies, it's as much as 55% of the tourism dollar that stays in Jamaica. One European study puts it at 40.8 cents in the dollar. I think that's great. That will be US $4.1 billion of the $10 billion staying in Jamaica each year. That amount of money could build 5 north-south highway every year in Jamaica with change left over. Now, let that sink in for a bit. That is 5 north-south highway could be built in Jamaica with US $4 billion every single year with change left over. Now, see the link to article of how much tourism dollar stays in Jamaica below. I'll leave a link below in my comment section. Okay. Now, it is high time for Jamaica to be Jamaica again. Let's go back to the original model in a massive way. As they say in the USA, let us stock them high and sell them cheap. Let's start building those large inclusive hotels all around Jamaica again. Let's develop this country rather than part of it. Let's put all idle hands to work in Jamaica, creating a better and more sustainable future for all, with more job opportunities, more investment options, better infrastructure, and more attractive attractions. Now, this is part 7 of my current theme. Look out for part 8. So, thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you, God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.